I'm gonna be real with you. If you're creating content in 2025 and still bouncing between ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva, Google Docs, and 5 other tabs, you're not multitasking. You're just suffering efficiently. That used to be me. 6 hours for one piece of content. Writing in one tab, designing in another, fixing the same typo twice. By the end, I didn't even like the post. I just wanted it gone. Then I tried Flora AI. Same project, same quality, under 30 minutes. And no, this isn't an AI replaces creativity story. This is a workflow problem finally getting fixed. So what is Flora AI? Think of it like a creative command center. One big canvas, where text, images, and video all live together. No copying prompts. No downloading files just to re-upload them somewhere else. Everything stays connected, and that alone feels illegal after years of chaos. Here's the real difference. Flora isn't linear. You're not locked into step 1, step 2, step 3. You're building a network of ideas. Change one thing, and everything connected updates automatically. The first time you see that, your brain goes, "Oh, so this is how it was supposed to work." Getting started is simple. Sign in with Google, hit New Project, and yes, the first screen looks busy. Week 1 feels awkward. Week 2, you're flying. Flora even shows you keyboard shortcuts right away, and trust me, learn them. That zooming and fast navigation is where the real speed comes from. Now, the core workflow. Click the plus button and see Flora's 3 main nodes: text, image, and video. These aren't separate tools duct taped together. They actually talk to each other, which already puts Flora ahead of half the tools on the internet. I double-click the canvas and open a text node. I type, "a fluffy orange cat sitting on a wooden desk next to a laptop." Flora instantly enhances the prompt. That's my base idea. Next, I add an image node. Choose a style, set the aspect ratio, pick a model on the free plan. I'm using Flux. Here's where it gets good. Connect the text node to the image node. The prompt flows automatically. Hit generate. About 30 seconds later. Boom, clean image. From there, things scale fast. Same cat, but sleeping. Same cat, playing with a toy mouse. Another close-up. From one idea, I've built a full content set. Try doing that in Canva without whispering threats to your laptop. Now let's animate. Add a video node and connect it to the image. Flora understands the context. Type, "make the cat yawn." Done. Then Flora flexes. Connect multiple images to one video node. It transitions between them smoothly. No timelines, no keyframes, no extra software. It just works. It doesn't stop there. Upload a random photo, a golden retriever, say. Flora analyzes lighting, composition, and style instantly. Ask for a reverse prompt, and it breaks the image down so you can recreate that look anytime. Then connect an image to a text node and say, "write a funny caption for this cat." Flora understands the visual context and gives text that actually fits. Captions, product descriptions, blog intros, short stories, it's all connected. Outside the canvas, everything stays organized. Asset library on the left, version history for every change. One-click rollbacks when you mess something up. There's also a community section. You can see real workflows from other creators, watch tutorials, even clone their setups. Save your own workflows as templates, one for thumbnails, one for shorts, one for blog visuals. That alone saves hours every week. Now, let's keep it real. Flora isn't for instant drag and drop simplicity. There's a learning curve, but if you want professional output at high speed, this tool hits different. Instead of fighting your tools, everything finally works together. Links in the description if you want to check it out. I'm curious, what would you make first? Product photos, short animations, memes, thumbnails. Drop it in the comments. Hit like if this saved you at least one headache. Subscribe for more AI tools that actually change how you work. Because honestly, if one more tab opens, I might just close the browser and walk away laughing.